guys, so today we made vegan gnocchi and we're going to teach you guys how to make it. So we're just boiling some sweet potatoes for our potato gnocchi. We just drained the sweet potatoes and we're waiting for them to cool off so we can blend them. But if you don't want to use the skin, then you can just skin them before boiling them and then just mash them with a fork.
Add flour and gently work into potato mixture until it is no longer sticky and holds together.
This is the doughy consistency that you would like to see. And now you start rolling.
I'll roll the ones that aren't very square.
So you want to put the gnocchi into the boiling water. And then you'll know when it's done because it'll float to the top. A few of them are starting to rise. That one is rising. This one right here is rising. We're gonna have some gnocchi.
I'm so excited!
This is just round one. Paula's putting more in and then we're going to make some more. Nutritional yeast. Cheers. And that, guys, is how you make vegan gnocchi. I hope you enjoyed.